Hi guys, welcome to Wikividya. I'm Tanya and today I'll be discussing the last chapter from the Flamingo book, Going Places. I'll also be discussing the previous year questions asked from this chapter later in the video, so make sure to watch till the end. Also, if you are new to my channel and have missed out the other chapters from the book, I have an entire playlist created on my channel which includes all the chapters, so you can check it out. The author of this chapter is A.R. Barton, and it is a story about the fantasies of a teenage girl named Sophie. In the beginning of the story, Sophie fantasizes about opening a boutique for which she'll save money by working as a manager. Her friend Jancy knew कि उनको अपनी सिटी की बिस्किट फैक्ट्री में ही काम करना है और वो सोफी की बातें सुनकर दुखी हो रही थी. उसने उसे बोला कि her dad would never allow it. Sophie now started fantasizing about being an actress or a fashion designer. She said if she'll ever have enough money, she'll buy a boutique and enters her house. Her father said अगर उसके पास कभी इतने पैसे आएंगे तो उसे उनके लिए एक अच्छा घर खरीदना चाहिए. Sophie watches her mother working in the kitchen. She looks at the small room with her father sitting on the table and the pile of dirty utensils in the corner. Her brother Jeff was an apprentice mechanic and was adjusting a part of his motorcycle in his room. He was a quiet man and didn't speak much. Sophie was jealous of Jeff because maybe he went to new places and met new people और वो भी उसके साथ जाना चाहती थी. But her father didn't allow that. She fantasized riding behind Jeff wearing a yellow dress and the world applauding to greet her. Sophie told Jeff that she had met Danny Casey in the arcade. Jeff asked if she had told Dad, and she shook her head. Her father had now washed and sat on the sofa to watch TV. जेफ ने उन्हें बताया कि सोफी डैनी केसी से मिली थी. सोफी ने कहा कि डैनी केसी एक स्टोर खरीदने वाला है. Their father asked if this was another of her wild stories. सोफी told जेफ कि जब वो केसी से मिली थी उसने उसका ऑटोग्राफ मांगा बट बिकॉज दोनों में से किसी के पास भी पेन एंड पेपर नहीं था तो दोनों ने कुछ देर ऐसे ही बात की एंड डैनी आस्क्ड हर टू मीट हिम नेक्स्ट वीक टू गेट द ऑटोग्राफ. सोफी आस्क्ड जेफ टू नॉट टेल दिस टू एनीवन बट ही डिड नॉट बिलीव हर. On Saturday, they went to watch United, which was an Irish football team जिसमें केसी खेलता था. United won the game and Sophie felt very proud. The next week, Jancy asked Sophie about Casey. वो जानती थी कि सोफी झूठ बोल रही थी. उसने कहा कि ये बात जेफ ने फ्रैंक को बताई थी एंड फ्रैंक ने जैंसी को. Sophie was shocked and felt disheartened because this was a secret between her and Jeff. Sophie said that it was supposed to be a secret क्योंकि उसके फादर को अगर ये बात पता चली तो वो गुस्सा करेंगे. Janice looked confused and said कि उसे लगा कि सोफी के फादर ये जान के बहुत एक्साइटेड होंगे. Then Sophie realized कि जेफ ने उन्हें पूरी बात नहीं बताई थी. After dark, she went and sat on a bench under a tree and imagined Casey coming. Some more time passed and she began to imagine that he might not come. She thought how no one had believed her when she had told them about Casey. But अब वो नहीं आएगा तो वो सबको क्या बोलेगी? She felt sad and knew that when she told Jeff, he would be disappointed. वो वापस घर जाने लगी and when she passed the arcade, she pictured Danny Casey again with his freckled nose and green eyes. फिर सोफी को अपनी दूसरी फैंटेसी याद आई. She saw him score a goal last Saturday and remembered the loud applause of 50,000 supporters. मतलब ये सभी चीजें वो सिर्फ इमेजिन कर रही थी and they never happened. So that was the summary of the chapter. Let us now move on to the previous year question papers. No question from this chapter was asked in the year 2020. The question asked in the year 2019 was, what did Sophie tell her father and her brother about her meetings with Danny Casey? How did each of them react? The answer would be, when Sophie told them that she had met Danny Casey, Jeff was surprised and her father looked at her in disbelief. They do not believe her and think that this was another of her wild stories. The question asked in the year 2018 was: every teenager has a hero or heroine to admire. So many times they become role models for them. What is wrong if Sophie fantasizes about Danny Casey and is ambitious in life? The answer would be: like most people, Sophie had a role model and desired a better life. However, imagination is far away from reality. We should not forget that there is a difference between real life and real life. The happenings of dreams or fantasies cannot take place in this physical world. Such fantasies result in disappointment. Those who ignore reality while setting their goals face a hard time later. The question asked in the year 2017 was: why did Jansi discourage Sophie from having dreams? The answer would be: Jansi knows Sophie's family background and financial position. She knows that both of them are earmarked for that biscuit factory. Sophie dreams of big and beautiful things like having a boutique or becoming an actress or a fashion designer. All these things need a lot of money and experience. Sophie has neither of them. So Jansi advises her to be sensible and stop having wild dreams. Again, no question was asked from this chapter in the year 2016. And that is all for this lesson, guys. Stay tuned for the next lesson. I've also provided the entire question paper for the last 5 years in the description box below. You can check that out. You can also connect with me through email or through Facebook or Instagram. I'll mention everything in the description box. For any queries or feedback, do leave a comment below. And if you found this video helpful, do like, subscribe, and share it. And also hit that bell button so you are notified every time I post a new video. Bye.